Hello, Tom at DSC Sport here. Today we're doing an installation video of the DSC Sport V3 controller on a 718 GTS. This is a 718 platform. The installation also covers 718 GT4, Spider, and all other 718 models. So what we're going to do is walk to the front of the car. I'm going to open the front trunk. Open our DSC controller here. Set this aside for now. The suspension controller on a 718 is located in the front trunk. First thing you need to do is make sure the key is turned off. You don't have to disconnect the battery, but the key must be turned off. As we walk closer, the controller is located on the left side. We're now going to remove the toolkit. Once the toolkit is removed, we'll just pull back on this carpet here, and you can see the stock controller is located here. With the carpet pulled back, we'll just release the light here so we don't put pressure on the wires. It's very simple to do. And now this allows us to pull the carpet back further. The toolkit comes in quite handy. I'm using it to hold down the carpet. So here's the controller. We have to loosen two nuts. This one here and this one here. You'll need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Okay, once the controller's off the bracket, we'll undo the two connectors, and based on some of the feedbacks we've gotten, this big connector can be kind of tight, so you just have to be patient with it, and a firm grip helps. So I'm gonna have a firm grip here like this and just wiggle the connector. You can see it already started to move, and once it moves, this tab is shown here. You can put your thumb in this tab for leverage. See, no problem. And the smaller one is usually very easy. It just comes off like that. And now this is out, we're gonna replace it with our DSC V3 controller. It's a direct plug and play. We'll start with the big connector. Get this line up. Want to take your time to make sure everything is lined up. We don't want to force this. You can hear that click there, so that indicates that it is fully engaged. Same with this. Want to make sure the small connector is lined up. Take your time here. Click. That was easy. So now we put the DSC controller on the OEM bracket. Don't over tighten this because this is plastic. All it needs to do is to be snug. It's not going anywhere. So we'll just reverse the process from here. Put the carpet back in place, put the trunk light back on, and snap the toolkit back into place, and we're ready to drive. Going out for a test drive here with the DSC V3 controller installed. We're gonna take it out on a pretty bumpy road, and I'm gonna ask the driver what he thinks after driving this car with the stock controller for a few hundred miles, and we're gonna see how the DSC V3 controller does. It feels really good to me sitting on the passenger side, and we're even in sport mode. So I'm gonna turn it over to the driver. How's it feel compared to the stock controller?
Compared to stock, it's really nice. The compliance is fantastic. Driving the car stock, the car didn't seem to have much comfort. The compliance wasn't there. The handling wasn't that fantastic. But driving on this road with a lot of imperfections in it, you can really tell that the DSC Sport controller for the 718 car really is a huge step in the right direction. The compliance is fantastic. The ride quality is completely changed, and it's actually nice to drive. And
Yeah.
it handles great.
Yeah, just being in the passenger side, it feels totally awesome. So, there you have it. DSC V3 Sport Controller, awesome product for the 718 platform.